Hi, I'm Laura Lindsay, and I'm the soybean agronomist at Ohio State.
Hi, I am Osler Ortez, and I am the corn agronomist at Ohio State.
Thanks for joining us for episode 2 of Battle for the Belt. We know that it's important to plant soybeans early. In Ohio, we've seen as much as a half a bushel per acre per day reduction in soybean yield for each day we planted after the end of April.
Similarly, for corn that is planted after the end of April, we see that yield loss. For corn, up to 1.75 bushels per day losses have been documented in the literature.
So, what crop should we plant first? Corn or soybean? Although we know corn and soybean planting date is really important and we want to plant early to maximize yield, oftentimes weather is a big challenge in the state of Ohio. Oftentimes driving through the state in the spring, you'll see flooded cornfields, flooded soybean fields. So in addition to what plant you should plant first, which one should you plant last?
What we see on the screen is a reality. We saw it happening in farmer fields 2022, and who knows what 2023 is going to bring. So when it comes to the decision making, there are several tools or some tools out there that can help us in that process. The tool on the screen is available from Kansas State University, and what it does is summarizes the number of suitable days for fieldwork not only in Ohio but across the Midwest. Any colors on the pink or purple side are indicating a reduction in number of suitable days since 1995. Specifically for Ohio, on the shaded green area, what we see is that in the period from mid-April to mid-May, we only have about 10 to 15 days available that are suitable for fieldwork conditions, that is, planting season. On the orange line, we see that decrease over time. If we want to put a number to that trend, it's about 0.12 days are being lost as we go on a yearly basis. So we have the limitation, and we need to often answer the question, which crop should we plant first?
So, this year in 2023, we'll have field trials to answer several questions. First of all, which crop should you plant first? Corn or soybean? Which crop should we plant last? Which crop has the smallest yield penalty for delayed planting, which happens quite frequently in Ohio? And then also, when we plant later, we need to adjust management practices. So for corn, we'll be evaluating several relative maturities based on planting date. And for soybean, we'll be looking at different seeding rates for each planting date time frame. In addition to that, we know that planting date interacts with diseases, insects, weeds, and other factors. So we'll be talking to other specialists to see how these factors all interact with planting date. We'll have 3 research locations, one in Northwest Ohio at the Northwest Agricultural Research Station in Wood County, the Worcester campus in Northeast Ohio in Wayne County, and the Western Agricultural Research Station in Clark County. Make sure you continue to follow along to the Battle for the Belt. Please subscribe to our corn newsletter, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Twitter.